Welcome to the Texas Woman's University Libraries. This video demonstrates how to find a print book in the library. To search for books, use the TW Universal search bar on the library homepage. When you find a book you want, check its availability. If the book is available, check which campus, floor, and collection the book is located in. Use the map feature to help you find where the book section is located. Finally, note the book's call number. The call number is like an address that will help you find the book on the shelf. Note the first part of your call number, PZ. First, find the P section. Then, find the PZ section. Books are organized alphabetically by these letters. The end of each shelf indicates the range of call numbers on that shelf. Find the range that contains your call number. Once you've found the PZ section, focus on the next part of the call number, 7. The second part of the call number is organized numerically. Books are organized left to right in columns. Once you've found the PZ7 section, find PZ7.M. This is alphabetical again. Once you've found the PZ7.M section, find PZ7.M54585. To find this next section, focus on one number at a time. First, find the section that starts with 5, then 54, and so on. By the time you've found the PZ7.M54585, you've probably found the book. If you need a specific edition of a book, the last number is the year the book was published. This book was published in 2006. To borrow a book, take the book and your TW ID to the library front desk and let them know you'd like to borrow the book. If you have questions, please ask. Library staff are happy to help.